What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So we're going on a ride again. We're going to Vilikal Rangaswamy Betta, I suppose. It's about 54 kilometers from here. Now we are on Kanakpura road. Hi bro. Yeah, so the time right now is 6:48 a.m. in the morning. Let's go. So this place that we are going to, I guess it's a hill, I'm not sure though, I haven't been there before. We have a lot of plans today to do some cinematics and stuff, so let's see how that goes. Hopefully it comes out well, you know. It is gonna come out well, I know it. ಹಾಂ So we are trying to look for a good view or a spot or something like that for shooting a cinematic, but apparently we cannot find any of them. I mean, we are in the process of finding one, so yeah, let's see. Yes, we have a road, it seems. This looks good, right? Why is Manoj going the opposite direction? That's what I was thinking. Why is Manoj going this side? All of a sudden he became dumb because the lake is over that side. Manoj, are you good? Look at him struggling. Look at that dude. Please don't ask me which place this is because I literally have no idea. But I'm liking the place though.
ಯಾರೋ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ
ಆ ಮರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಪಾಟು ಒಂಚೂರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Bye bye. Okay, how was the video? Was it good? Insane, right? I mean, you have to like the video for that. You definitely have to like the video for that. So earlier in the video I said that we are going to Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta. Now that plan is cancelled.
because we spent 3 hours in here, so we are so hungry. So we'll go to our usual breakfast point, you know, where I did my breakfast ride, right? My video, you can check that out, that restaurant. We're going over there. It's about, I guess it should be around 40 kilometers from here. So let's go there, have some good food. So yeah, this is our usual breakfast spot when we come here. I'll put the hotel location link, everything in the description below. So yeah guys, we just had our breakfast at 12 o'clock or something. So I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, I'm ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ bro. Wow. Okay now. So guys, that's it for the video. We just had a breakfast right. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We just had our breakfast and we're heading home right now. So you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.